in the depth of night, when you look around and you realise that it's only 4:30 in the after fucking noon. Yeah, it's pitch black. Slight glow in distance that could be. It's pitch black. It's 4:30 and it is full on dark. And my eyes are burning. I don't know why, but they are. Anyway, yeah, so. It's relaxing. It's nice, gonna hopefully just relax the whole night through. Because all I've had the past month is the rats waking me up at like 3 o'clock in the morning. Like scurrying around and having a fucking rave from the sounds of it. They got a thing for shagging the pipework as well. It's like ding 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 ding. It's always exactly the same fucking time every morning. So yeah, I'm not getting a lot of sleep. I'm a raggy bitch. So yeah, crash out time. Bored with the music. It's always the same Jewish crap. So yeah, that's reset. I've had a little bit of drinkies. Some homemade spirits. And the only snacky stuff I've got is a pack of very soggy extra strong mints. Well, half a pack of extra strong mints. So yeah, a little sugar buzz. And the crows are going fucking batshit outside. That's